In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Google Sheets with Slack. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right into it. Integrating Google Sheets with Slack can significantly streamline your workflow, allowing your team to access important data without leaving the Slack environment. So the first step in this process is to open your Slack app. Make sure you're logged into your workspace. Once you're in, take a look at the left-hand side of your Slack interface. You'll see an admin menu. Go ahead and click on that. After you open the admin menu, you should see an option for Apps and Workflows. This is where you'll be able to find a wide range of integrations that will enhance your Slack experience. If you don't see it right away, don't worry. Just click on Browse to open the Slack app directory. Now that you have the app directory open, it's time to search for Google Sheets. In the search bar at the top, just type in Sheets. Once you hit Enter, or click the search icon, look for an option that says See All Results. Go ahead and click on that so you can find the Google Sheets app for Workflow Builder, which is the official Slack integration. When you find Google Sheets, take a moment to click on it and review the app details. It's essential to understand what the app offers, including its description, permissions, and security settings. These details are crucial, especially in ensuring that everything aligns with your organization's compliance policies. So give it a careful read. Once you're satisfied with what you see and you feel confident about using Google Sheets with Slack, it's time to add it to your workspace. Look for the Add to Slack button. It should be quite prominent. Click on that and you'll be presented with a drop-down or picker, allowing you to select the appropriate workspace you want to connect with Google Sheets. After selecting your workspace, don't forget to click on Manage Permissions. This is your last opportunity to review the access requirements. Make sure everything looks good here before proceeding. Now, here comes the crucial step. You need to authorize and install the app. Go ahead and click on the Allow button to give the necessary permissions. This step finalizes the connection between Google Sheets and Slack. Keep in mind, if your workspace requires admin approval for new app installations, your request will be sent to an admin for review. You'll want to check back after a little while to see if it's been approved so you can get started. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Google Sheets with your Slack workspace. This integration is a fantastic way to make your communication smarter and more efficient. You can easily share spreadsheets, updates, and much more directly in your channels, enhancing your team's collaboration. Thank you for following along today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. By doing so, you'll stay updated with all our latest tips and tutorials.